Alright, working on the square body today. I'm going to get the rear pistons put back in and probably start putting that engine back together.
These damn quadrants get on my nerves. Land on my little way. Yep, you're right.
Got the pistons in, getting ready to put in the oil pan back on. Gotta love four-wheel drives that are up in the air. Just pull an oil pan right out from underneath of it. Hassle-free. Well, not much of a video today, but we were productive. It's just not the kind of thing that shows well on camera. So, pistons are in. New rings. Got the oil pan on. So, waiting on some valve seals to get the heads put together, and we'll start putting the top end on it.